This audio is used for the transcriber test at Gotranscript.
，Nice intro, huh? Anyway, good evening. It is 11 o'clock and I'm in my PJs listening to Reach by Funk City. You would be like, huh? What the heck is this? It's awesome. I know. Anyway, I feel a bit depressed because of this isolation due to SARS-CoV-2, you know. In Sao Paulo, Brazil, the lockdown is almost extreme now, so we cannot even go outside for a walk and stuff like that. Walking helps me feel calm and relaxed. Also, it helps reduce stress levels, so cortisol drops down as well when I'm out and about.
This audio is used for the transcriber test at Gotranscript.
However, since we cannot go outside now to exercise, I try to do it at home to stay fit. Besides, I started practicing IF. I'm sure many people will still be, huh? What did you start? It's IF, which has been getting a lot of buzz lately for helping people finally lose weight for good, as well as lower blood pressure, slower the aging process. Last night I was fasting. My fast lasted for 36 hours and I felt great. You may be skeptical about this just like I was before. However, there are many success stories. Sumaya Kazi is just one of them. And she says that IF helps her from getting a yo-yo effect of dieting because for her, IF has become a new lifestyle.
This audio is used for the transcriber test at Gotranscript.
Anyway, it is quite late now in Sao Paulo, and I think I will hit the hay now. I just want to wake up early tomorrow to go for a quick walk in my garden. It is not that big, but there is enough space to work out and even jog around the house. To be quite honest, I have never done that because I used to jog on the beach in São Sebastião municipality. Have you ever heard of the beaches Brazil has? It is not just Bahia, Praia de Pipa in Rio Grande do Norte, or famous Ipanema in Zona Sul. I'm from Siberia, and I would love to visit countries that have magnificent beaches as well, like Maya Bay in the Coffee. To be quite honest, I have never done that because I used to jog on the beach in São Sebastião municipality. Have you ever heard of the beaches Brazil has? It is not just Bahia, Praia de Pipa in Rio Grande do Norte, or famous Ipanema in Zona Sul. I'm from Siberia, and I would love to visit countries that have magnificent beaches as well, like Maya Bay in the Kopipi Island, or even Ansa Source of the Argent in Seychelles. It looks fascinating and somewhere we can all escape to. You would be like, what do you want to escape from? To be honest, I always wanted to live somewhere where it is warm and there is sea nearby. I hate cold weather and just simply cannot be asked to go outside when it's cold, windy, or when it snows outside. That is why I spent 6 months in Europe and 6 months elsewhere to escape such conditions. That is why I have been in Latin America traveling since the mid of December last year as well. However, I wish I could go home now, to be honest. Anyway, let's talk about something else for now. I'm getting a lot of questions about Gotranscript's tests and why it's so difficult most of the time. A test is there for a reason, to test your English skills as well as the ability to look at the transcription from a client's point of view. Many actual audios have a lot of background noise and or difficult terms, accents that you have never heard of. However, this is what human-generated transcriptions stand out for. Therefore, this is also the reason the audio test is no picnic. If you can deal with the test, you will also be able to deal with the actual audio files. I hope that clarifies your doubts if there are any. Have a good day.
This audio is used for the transcriber test at Gotranscript.